Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to explain multiple choice questions on e-payment and e-banking. So let's start with question number 1. The most prevalent online payment method is A. Paper, B. Checks, C. Credit cards, D. Debit cards. And the correct answer is C. Credit cards. Question number 2. When a transaction is processed online, how can the merchant verify the customer's identity? A. Use secure sockets layer. B. Use secure electronic transactions. C. Use electronic data interchange. D. Use financial electronic data interchange. And the answer is B. Use secure electronic transactions. Question number 3. A security plan begins with a or an is option A. Security policy, B. Risk assessment, C. Implementation plan, D. Security organization. And the correct answer is B. Risk assessment. Question number 4. The only payment system that is instantly convertible without intermediation is A. Credit card, B. Accumulating balance, C. Stored value, D. Cash. And the correct answer is D. Cash. Question number 5. An electronic check is one form of A. E-commerce, B. Online banking, C. E-cash, D. Check. And the correct answer is B. Online banking. Question number 6. If you need to transfer money to another person via the internet, which of the following methods could you use? Option A. Financial cyber mediary, B. Electronic check, C. Electronic bill presentment and payment, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D, and that is all of the above. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a dimension of e-commerce security provided by encryption? Option A. Availability, B. Message integrity, C. Non-repudiation, D. Confidentiality. And the correct answer is A. Availability. Question number 8. A combination of software and information designed to provide security and information for payment is called as A. Digital wallet, B. Pop-up ad, C. Shopping cart, D. Encryption. And the correct answer is A, and that is digital wallet. Question number 9. What is the name for direct computer-to-computer transfer of transaction information contained in standard business document? Your options are A. Internet commerce, B. E-commerce, C. Transaction information transfer, D. Electronic data interchange. And the correct answer is D. Electronic data interchange. Question number 10. The most common payment, especially for low value purchase, is made by A. Debit card, B. Credit card, C. Cash, D. ATM. And the correct answer is A. Debit card. Question number 11. Dash can pass the law for e-banking. Option A. SBI, B. Parliament, C. RBI, D. Merchant Association. And the correct answer is C, that is RBI. Question number 12. True about debit cards and ATM cards. Option A. Offline e-money, B. Online e-money, C. Cash money, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is B. Online e-money. Question number 13. Credit card is an essential component of A. Electronic commerce, B. Internet commerce, C. Both of the above, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is C, that is both of the above. Question number 14. Credit cards are a convenient substitute for option A cash, B check, C both of the above, D none of the above. And the correct answer is C both of the above. Number 15. One difference between a debit card and a credit card is that A. Debit cards provide better consumer protection. B. Debit cards generate unsecured debt. C. Debit cards can only be used for large transactions. And option D. Payments made with a debit card are immediately deducted from your bank account. And the correct answer is A. Debit cards provide better consumer protection. Question number 16. Which is correct description for a credit card? Option A. Allows us to pay for goods immediately. B. Defers payment for 1 month only. C. Allows us to borrow money at a cheap rate. Option D. Defers payment indefinitely provided you maintain interest payments. And the correct answer is D, and that is defers payment indefinitely provided you maintain interest payments. Question number 17. Credit cards are cards which are also known as A. Plastic cards, B. Card money, C. Plastic cards full of money, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is A. Plastic cards. Question number 18. E-payment is option A. Electronic payment for buying and selling through the internet. B. Payment of online software. C. Payment of online services. And D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. Electronic payment for buying and selling through the internet. Question number 19. What is the main driver of electronic payment growth? Option A. Consumer demand for new methods. B. Government regulation. C. Technology development. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is C. Technology development. Question number 20. What are the main concerns about electronic payment? Option A. Privacy and security. B. Privacy and charged fees. C. Security and charged fees. D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. Privacy and security. Question number 21. In which type of banking electronic financial transactions are done? Option A. E-banking. B. POS banking. C. M-banking. D. Universal banking. And the answer is A. E-banking.